Hi everyone, Anthony Morganti here. In today's video, I was going to demonstrate Luminar Share for you, but I've been having all kinds of problems with it. So instead of showing you how Luminar Share works, I'm going to talk about those problems I'm having. For those of you not familiar with Luminar Share, it is an iOS and Android app that works in concert with Luminar Neo, allowing you to upload any image from your phone or tablet directly to Luminar Neo. And the way it works is you need to connect Luminar Share that is on your phone or tablet to Luminar Neo that is on your computer. And they make it very easy to do. You open up the Luminar Share app and it's going to prompt you to scan a QR code. And you obtain that QR code from inside Luminar Neo on your computer. So I have Luminar Neo on my computer, and to get that QR code to show up on the screen, you just go to the little share icon in the top right-hand corner, and you can see at the bottom, Connect. That allows you to connect your phone or tablet device to Luminar Neo on your computer. This is the first problem I encountered. As soon as I try to do this, it shows for a second and then crashes. And it actually did that every single time I tried it for a few days. Until today, it actually worked once. And when it worked that one time, I was able to connect my Luminar Share app that is on my iPhone to Luminar Neo that is on my iMac. And I was able to upload 4 images that I happen to have on my phone. These 4 images of our cat Rocky. We bought a new area rug, and of course, Rocky being a cat, he had to come and lay on it and act like it's his. And this is where I run into the second issue. Right now I'm in catalog view and I'm in grid view, right? So I'm looking at the images in a grid. I happen to be using the large view, not the largest, not the medium, not the small, and it doesn't matter what size you're in. Because this next issue is when you go into loop view. Loop view is when you're looking at a single image. And let me double click on this last image and you'll notice it shows it. And then after a second or two, it got very dark. And I noticed it's kind of odd. I'll go to the image directly before it. This is the image that was taken right before this image. And you'll see that one doesn't get dark. Then the image directly before that, and that one got dark. And then the image directly before that, and this one I actually did an edit on, so it doesn't get dark. Because what I did was, if I go to the edit panel and we go over to the develop tab, you'll see I brought exposure way up. If I go up to image, adjustments, revert to original, you'll notice it got dark. So 3 out of the 4 got dark. It's very odd. Now, I should say right away that Skylum has said that this early release of Luminar Neo is not fully functional. It's missing a lot of tools and some things may not work right. This is one of those things that apparently isn't working correctly, and I wanted to do this video just to make you aware that those of you that are using this pre-release version, it's not necessarily going to give you the results you expect. And obviously, it's not giving me the results I expect. So if I did want to, let's say, edit this image, as soon as I double click on it and get it in loop view, you'll see after a second or two it got dark and I go to the edit panel. I would have to probably then go to the develop tools and go to exposure and turn exposure up. And by the way, I looked through every single tool that had to do with tone, anything to do with exposure, brightness. Nothing was like preset. It didn't like on those 3 images just automatically like go to the tone curve and make the image darker. It didn't do anything automatically. It just, for some reason, on those 3 images makes the image dark. I'm not sure why. Obviously, it's just something that isn't working right. So, you know, that's why I'm doing this video, just to make you aware. Don't get too upset if it's not working quite right. Skylum said that it won't. They have said that the actual real full release that will be working, where they say, you know, it should be working right, will be released sometime in February. Let's just keep our fingers crossed that it's early February, and let's keep our fingers crossed that everything is working. So that's that. Now, I did take these images one right after the other, like that image, that image. You can see I was just getting a little closer. That one, then that one. I got this one a little closer, and this is the one that doesn't get dark for whatever reason. Then the area rug was like just laid out, right? And then I had to move the furniture and put it under the furniture. So this one was taken maybe 5 minutes later. And of course, Rocky had to move because I had to move the rug, and he jumped up on the coffee table. So it's nothing to do with them taken at different times of day and different light sources or anything like that. It's just something weird about the application. For whatever reason, it's just not working quite right. So do me a favor in the comments below, if those of you that are using this early pre-release version of Luminar Neo, if you're running into anything odd, just let us know below so other people know. And mention if you're using the Windows version and what version of Windows you're using, or if you're using the if you're using the OS 10 version and which version of OS 10 you're using, by the way. And I'm using OS 10, obviously. I'm on a Mac. And, oh, I didn't want that. I am using, what is this, Monterey, right? Yeah, Monterey version 12.1. So maybe that has something to do, you know, these issues have something to do with the specific version of Monterey I'm using. Maybe not, I don't know. But that's that. Thank you, everyone who watches my videos. I really do appreciate it. I'll talk to you guys soon.